To the corridors of justice, detectives probing the murder of Kasipul member of National Assembly Charles Ong'ondo Were have until the 26th of June to complete investigations on businessman Philip Aroko.
Justice Diana Kavedza of the Kibera High Court further released Aroko, the alleged financier in the murder, and retained the 300,000 shillings bond and strict conditions that had been set by the Jomo Kenyatta International Court.
Now, the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution had requested for continued detention of Aroko, citing he had crucial information that is detrimental in the investigations.
Tuesday at the Kibera Law Court, and businessman Philip Aroko was presented after 8 days in custody.
But I still presented myself to the police station where the orders indicated that I was supposed to be. So actually they found me there. That confirms the compliance.
Prosecuting counsel Gikoe Geshoe gave the court an inventory of the details that have so far helped investigators to piece together tight evidence for prosecution. While giving his ruling, Judge Diana Kavedza ordered him to deposit his passport in court and prohibited him from visiting Homa Bay County or its surroundings, among other conditions.
The respondent shall report to the lead investigator every 2 days as submitted by the prosecution counsel.
So far, 12 suspects have been arrested, with 11 of them in custody as investigations into Were's murder on 30th April this year continues. After being rearrested last Monday, Aroko is free after adducing compelling reasons to the court, albeit with strict conditions. At the Milimani, local petitioners challenged the manner in which numerous key positions within the Kenyan Public Service have been filled. In the petition, Lempasu Yanka seeks to stop the president from appointing additional advisors and a host of senior appointees, arguing that is ballooning the wage bill.
Duplicative, because there is a very competent civil service that we believe is underpaid. But these political appointees and cronies are paid millions of shillings.
The petition pokes holes in the legal framework and regulations outlining how many advisors the president can appoint, creating a loophole that allows the head of state to flood the civil service with what he termed as political appointees.
There is nothing that the so-called legal advisors or human rights advisors can advise the president, which the Office of the Attorney General cannot.
Elsewhere in Mombasa, Shakil Ali Mohammed, who has been accused of stealing 6.9 million shillings from his employer Gateway Marine Service in Mombasa, will remain in custody for 8 days. Appearing before Mombasa Senior Resident Magistrate Gladys Olimo, Shakil denied the charges.
In view of the foregoing, the court sides with the prosecution that the documents presented in court on 23rd May 2025 be verified in order to establish their authenticity.
The matter will be mentioned on June 5th. Ruth Wambui for Prime Edition.